Locate the bulb you intend to replace. This vehicle has 3 taillight bulbs on this side.
These bulbs share the same type of assembly connection. Open the hatch to gain access to the bulb assembly.
Remove the panel by prying it off.
The steps needed to access the other side are the same as this side.
Remove the bolts by turning them counterclockwise. Take the bulb housing out of the vehicle. Push the tab and pull the connector to remove it. Remove the bulb assembly by twisting it counterclockwise. Locate the next bulb you intend to replace. Our research indicates that this vehicle is equipped with LED lights. In order to replace the intended bulb, you must replace the entire housing. It is uncommon for LED bulbs to burn out. We recommend checking the fuses before attempting to replace the housing. Never touch the bulbs with bare hands. The oils on your fingers can create hot spots and cause the bulb to burn out prematurely. Use rubbing alcohol to wipe off the bulb if you touch it. Using a quality bulb is of paramount importance. With over 100 years of lighting expertise, Sylvania offers lights with quality components, longer life, and optimal performance. Sylvania also offers a direct install replacement option to easily upgrade from traditional bulbs to LED lights, providing you with longevity, performance, and style. Insert the bulb assembly into the lens and twist it clockwise to lock it. Push the connector straight in to connect the new bulb.
Align the tabs and push the housing to get it back into place.
Replace the bolts by turning them clockwise. Position the panel so that the tabs line up with their respective slots and press in.
Make sure the bulb housing is secure.